This morning we're going to look at finding all the date columns in a database from the tables. And so for those of you who are looking for the answer really fast, one second. By the way, notice I'm using a like date here on this where clause. And that is because if it's a date time that you're looking for, that'll be included there. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm selecting star from information schema.columns. We have a data type like date. And what we're really looking for is the column name. And that says which columns are dates, or like dates, I should say. Now, really quick, so for those of you who are looking for the answer, there's the answer. And also I can find the table name too. As a note, you could always put the table name in the where clause, but if you do that, you might as well just go ahead and pull up the whole schema of the table. That's kind of redundant. So one of the examples of this being useful is, let's suppose we have a database in production, and this is just an example of where you might use this. We have a database in production, we're going to back it up and restore it, back it up and then restore it in development. But in development, we only want 1 month of data, or maybe a 1 year of data. So what we want to do is we want to trim all the tables that have a date on them. And so you want to make sure that, let's say hypothetically, we don't want any data that is outside of 2013, hypothetically. So let's say we're going to wipe out all the data, so all of the data that's less than January 1st, 2013, and all the data that's greater than December 31st, 2013. So we just have 1 year of data. This is where that would come in handy. You could do a loop and trim. Now, of course, that assumes that there's no foreign keys that are going to be restricting you from doing that. If you have foreign keys and such, that doesn't hold true. But that's one of the ways in which we use this. We use this a lot. But these right here is very useful to find out information about your tables and columns.